Welcome to TechNation, the channel that explores the latest developments in technology. In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency mining, where digital gold can be struck. Cryptocurrency mining is the process of validating transactions on a blockchain network and creating new digital coins as a reward. It's a process that can be done by anyone with the right equipment and knowledge, and it can be a lucrative activity for those who are willing to invest time, effort, and resources. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of cryptocurrency mining, the equipment needed, the environmental impact, and the potential rewards. We'll also discuss the future of mining and its role in the evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how mining for digital gold can strike it rich. Mining for digital gold in the world of cryptocurrency can be a lucrative activity. But how exactly does it work? Let's take a closer look at the role of mining in validating transactions on a blockchain network, the use of specialized mining hardware, and the process of creating new digital coins as a reward for mining. When a transaction is made on a blockchain network, it needs to be validated by other users on the network. This is where miners come in. Miners are essentially the bookkeepers of the blockchain, responsible for verifying and adding new transactions to the network. To validate transactions, miners use specialized hardware, such as ASICs, application-specific integrated circuits. These machines are designed specifically for the purpose of mining and are incredibly powerful, with the ability to perform complex calculations at lightning-fast speeds. The mining process involves solving complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. This requires a significant amount of computing power and energy, which is why specialized mining hardware is necessary. In addition to validating transactions, mining also involves the creation of new digital coins as a reward. This is known as the mining reward, and it serves as an incentive for miners to continue contributing to the network. The amount of the reward varies depending on the cryptocurrency being mined, but it is typically a certain number of coins per block added to the blockchain. It may seem complex, but for those who are willing to put in the effort and resources, mining can strike digital gold in the world of cryptocurrency. While mining for digital gold in the world of cryptocurrency can be a profitable venture, there is no denying that it comes with its fair share of environmental concerns. The high energy consumption of mining, in particular, has been a topic of much debate and discussion. The process of mining requires a significant amount of energy to power the specialized hardware used for validating transactions and creating new blocks on the blockchain. In fact, some estimates suggest that the energy consumption of mining is equivalent to that of a small country. This high energy consumption has a significant impact on the environment. The use of fossil fuels to generate electricity for mining contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. Additionally, the heat generated by mining equipment can also be a source of environmental pollution. However, there is hope for more sustainable mining practices. Some miners are exploring the use of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to power their mining operations. This not only reduces the environmental impact of mining but can also save on energy costs in the long run. Another solution is to use more energy-efficient mining equipment. Some companies are developing hardware that uses less energy while still providing the same level of performance. This not only reduces the environmental impact of mining but can also save on energy costs for miners. Mining for digital gold in the world of cryptocurrency can be a profitable venture, but it's important to understand the costs involved and the risks and challenges of mining as a business. First, let's talk about the costs of setting up a mining operation. The specialized hardware required for mining can be expensive, with top-of-the-line ASICs costing thousands of dollars. Additionally, there are costs associated with electricity, cooling, and maintenance of the mining equipment. All of these expenses can quickly add up, making it difficult for small-scale miners to compete with larger mining operations. But what about the potential rewards of mining? The mining reward, or the number of coins earned for validating transactions and adding new blocks to the blockchain, can be significant. Depending on the cryptocurrency being mined, The reward can range from a few coins to hundreds or even thousands of coins per block. With the potential for high returns, it's no wonder that many people are drawn to mining as a business. However, it's important to remember that mining also comes with risks and challenges. The price of cryptocurrencies can be volatile, which means that the value of mining rewards can fluctuate significantly. Additionally, the increased competition in the mining industry means that it can be difficult to make a profit, especially for small-scale miners. There are also security risks associated with mining, as miners can be targeted by hackers looking to steal mining rewards or disrupt the blockchain network. It's important for miners to take proper security measures to protect their equipment and their earnings. As the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, so too does the future of mining. With new technologies and innovations on the horizon, the future of cryptocurrency mining is looking bright. One of the biggest advancements in mining technology is the development of more energy-efficient mining equipment. These new ASICs and GPUs are designed to use less energy while still providing the same level of performance. This not only reduces the environmental impact of mining but can also save miners money on energy costs. Some miners are already exploring the use of solar and wind power to power their operations, which not only reduces their carbon footprint but can also save them money in the long run. But perhaps the biggest change on the horizon for mining is the shift towards proof-of-stake (POS) consensus algorithms. Unlike the current proof-of-work (POW) algorithm used in many cryptocurrencies, POS requires miners to hold a certain amount of the cryptocurrency they're mining in order to validate transactions and create new blocks. This eliminates the need for expensive mining equipment and reduces the energy consumption of mining. Some cryptocurrencies have already made the switch to POS, and it's likely that more will follow in the future. Of course, as with any industry, there are also challenges and potential roadblocks to the future of mining. Regulatory uncertainty, market volatility, and the potential for security breaches all pose risks to the mining industry. But with the right mindset and a commitment to innovation, the future of mining is looking bright. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrency mining? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, though, mining will continue to be an essential part of the blockchain network, as it provides the necessary validation and security for transactions. As technology advances, we can expect to see more efficient and sustainable mining practices, as well as continued innovation in mining hardware. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be mining for digital gold on Mars. Thanks for joining us on TechNation, and we'll see you next time.